wants to know if the color of your hair is natural.
Oh, well, certainly tell him it's natural. My father and my mother both had red hair. Well, Ricky, go ahead and tell them.
El color del pelo de ella es lo mismo que el color del pelo en Cuba, ¿tú comprendes? Lo único que ella se lo conserva de esa manera con una henna rinse.